Welcome to the Exploring Digital Technology Study Guide for Module 12, Web Development. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get to it. First up, let's talk about them text links. A text link's target is just like your favorite fishing spot. It's where you want folks to go when they click that link. Just point them in the right direction and off they go to another web page or some fancy content. Now, y'all ever been to one of them diners where the menu changes every time you visit? That's a bit like dynamically generated content on a website. It shows up when triggered by something you do, like asking for today's special. And here's a golden nugget for you. Always cook up your own original content for your website. It's like making your own homemade pie, much better than store-bought. Ever seen those signs on the road telling you to buy local or visit the state fair? Those are calls to action. Or CTAs, just like on a website asking you to buy a product, donate some cash, or share an article with your pals. Now let's talk about that country grammar called markup language. It uses tags, kind of like how you use spices in your cooking to tell the document how to look and behave. And where do we keep all those photos and bits of text we use over and over? In a content repository, basically a pantry for your website's ingredients. Y'all ever seen a website do something fancy when you interact with it? Thank JavaScript for that. It's like a little magic dust for your website. Then there's XML. It describes data, kind of like how a recipe tells you what you need but not how to cook it. If you want to point someone to a resource from another website, use what we call an absolute reference. It's like giving someone directions right to the front door. Need to start a new line without any fuss? Just pop in a tag. It's cleaner than a whistle. Choosing fonts on a website can be as easy as picking a family reunion t-shirt. You don't need the exact font, just the font family. And CSS, well, it sorts out any style scuffles like a good referee, making sure the most important style rules win. Ever heard of NFTs? They're like digital collectibles, your own little piece of internet fame. HTTPS keeps your website safe like a locked door, making sure all the data stays just where it should be during exchanges. And nowadays, most browsers stick to visiting sites that use HTTPS just to keep things safe. FTP is like the postal service for files on the internet, helping you send stuff from one computer to another. And for making sure everyone can enjoy your website, there's WWAI and WCAG. Just like at a potluck, you got to make sure there's something for everyone. Finally, making your webpage perceivable is all about keeping things clear and organized, like keeping your tools tidy in the shed. Whew, that's a whole lot of learning, but y'all did great. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're unable to do that, you'll need to log in. Creating a YouTube account is free and takes less than a minute. Y'all take care now, you hear?